Okay, it's time to dive into the book. Chapter 1 deals with information technology and society. Information technology refers to devices that collect, store, manipulate, and exchange data. Data could be text, it could be numbers, it could be images, sounds, videos. And I think the perfect example of modern information technology is a smartphone. So here's my official Seattle University smartphone, and obviously it has the ability to exchange information, right? It's connected to the cell phone network, it can be connected to Wi-Fi, the internet. It has the ability to collect information, has a built-in camera, has a virtual keyboard, microphone, plenty of storage, gigabytes of storage, and so and also the ability to do calculations. So this is really a great example of modern information technology, where we're talking about computers, networking, and information storage and retrieval. And so that's how the chapter is divided. There's a history of computing, a history of networking, history of information storage and retrieval. So how do I do all that in 35 pages? And the reality is I have to be very selective. And so what I have really used as my focus is a question that was raised in section 1.1 of the book. And that question is, do we drive technology, or does technology drive us? And the answer is both, really. Because we drive technology in the sense that technology arises out of social conditions. So something can happen in society, and there's a need for or a desire for a new device, and the device gets invented. But then technology drives us in the sense that once we choose to adopt a new technology, it can change how we relate to each other. So here's a very simple example. I have an app on my smartphone. It's called One Bus Away, and I can consult this app to find out when I need to get to Broadway and Madison to catch the number 12 bus heading downtown. And when I open up One Bus Away, I can see that there is a number 12 bus at Broadway and Madison right now, which means it's too late for me to get there. The next one doesn't show up for 27 minutes. So there's no sense me going out to the corner right now and waiting for the bus. I'll wait until it's about 5 minutes away, and then I can get out there. So that's very convenient. It means I can be more efficient. But then how does that change how I relate to other people? Because now I'm not hanging around bus stops chit-chatting with people anymore. So that's a very trivial example. There are more meaningful examples in chapter 1. And if you go through the chapter with this idea in mind, the relationship between societal change and technological change, invention and adoption, then you'll be set up to do the assignment after reading this chapter, where you're going to be coming up with some diagrams illustrating the social technological cycle. So with that in mind, jump into the chapter. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll be back to introduce chapter 2 for you.